Hello and welcome to Math 152. This is Statistical Methods. My name is Amanda Davis. I'll be your instructor. I wanted to take a minute to do a quick walkthrough video showing you where everything is in your course in our Blackboard shell. So we've gone to great lengths to make everything free for this class. All of your materials are online. You should not have to purchase anything. So you'll start out on this announcements page. This is the welcome screen, and that tells you to go to our start here. So we go to start here. We have an introduction about me, anything you need to know, contact information, things like that. Because of COVID this semester, I will not be on campus regular hours, but we'll talk about that. And you can find the hours that I am available in the syllabus, which is the next thing that you want to check out. The third thing's really important. We have a course entry assignment for every class. They are due by August 26th. Make sure that's the very first thing you do for class. Scrolling down, this is the video I'm making right now that you just found at Course Navigation. And then if you go back up to the top, when you finish all of your initial Start Here assignments, you can come over to the left. There's a tab for a calculator, and then below that is our coursework. Let's see, that's taking a second there. You click on coursework, you'll see everything that serves as basically your online text. So here at the top, again, we have the links to some calculators if you need those. There's some extra video at the beginning. Here's Unit 1. This is where we'll start. You'll see for each section we have readings, videos, assignments, and labs. All of those things, and then usually I'll put the PowerPoint in after our class if we use one during the class. So that's where all of your coursework is, and you can click on those. Go back to regular announcements. And then if you look, one more thing that's really important is an assignment checklist. There I'll be placing a Word document that has all of the assignments for the semester and the tentative assignment due dates. Sometimes we have to make adjustments. All classes don't move at the same pace, and sometimes we'll go a little faster through one thing or a little slower through another. So we may adjust those as we go, but that's our tentative checklist to keep us on track, and I will certainly let you know if anything changes throughout the semester. We want to make sure that we keep track of things that are online and always check our email because of the way things have been going. We want to make sure that if anything changes with our in-person, online, synchronous type of classes, if anything changes, we're all in good communication. So hopefully that will help you navigate. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks.